AutoPartsDiscounters.com presents Tragedy Strikes Again. You wouldn't think something as minuscule as latching your hood would be that important, but apparently it is. And of course, this windshield got busted right before the Kentucky Derby. So we called Bob's Auto Glass to come in and replace the windshield, and then I'll get started on the hood. Having been in the transportation business for 20 years, when you have a car down, time is of the essence, so we do everything in-house. I'm not going through all of the proper steps on this junkyard hood because chances are this car is going to be in a fender bender and it's going to be replaced again in a couple of months anyway. But I will feather down the edges and cut out a piece of the old hood to take with me to the paint store so I can try and get an aerosol can as close to the color as possible. Even though I'm taking these steps, I'm not sure why, because I can't lay silver paint worth a damn and it's going to look striped anyway. With my color chip in hand, I go inside the Napa store to see what Jimmy's got on the shelf for me. I thought I found some Krylon, which was pretty close in the color aluminum, but when I looked for another can, they didn't have one. So I wound up taking 2 cans of Duplicolor up to the counter, as well as a can of adhesion cleaner, because they didn't have any lacquer thinner to clean the hood down. And I needed both anyway, so I figured why not use the adhesion cleaner in order to prep this hood for paint. Like I said, does it really matter? It's probably going to be replaced in a couple of months again anyway. You gotta love the transportation business. I haven't painted in so long I couldn't find my respirator, so here goes everything. Make sure your doors are wide open or paint outside. I highly recommend that. These fumes will give you a headache for sure. It cracked me up when little Evelyn came in off the school bus and she's like, "Ooh, what's that smell?" And then she wanted to hang around for a little bit. That's the one I'll probably catch sniffing the model glue, I'm sure. But here goes everything. Time for the silver zebra. Having run this transportation business with my wife for the last 10 years, we have become quite the team. So I call her in to come in and help me replace the hood. We work really well together, and if you're a mechanic looking for a little extra side money, start an Uber or a Lyft, and your wife can drive, or you can both drive, and you're there to repair the cars when anything happens. We've been doing it for 10 years, and it's been very lucrative for us. Thank you all for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe. I hope you all have a great day.